Hey guys, this is Jam from jamonline.ph, and we have here the Asus VivoBook S14. So this is the newest notebook from Asus, and it's aimed for the more affordable market. Compared to the ZenBook, this one is cheaper, and we all know that because last year we've seen a lot of the VivoBooks and the Computex 2018. I've actually reviewed one. You can actually check out my other videos about the VivoBook S14 last year. So this is the 2019 S432, and this one comes with the latest ScreenPad 2.0. So if you can still remember, the ScreenPad was first introduced last year at the Asus ZenBook Pro, and now we have that feature on the Asus VivoBook S14. So Asus wants us to see that the ScreenPad is for everyone. So even for the affordable market, we got a ScreenPad 2.0. Anyway, so inside this one comes with up to Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA MX250 graphics and Wi-Fi 6. Last year, we could actually see that this one comes with the same processor, up to Core i7, but up to MX150. I believe in the Philippines we got the MX150 GPU, and this one cost around, I think, 50 to 60,000 in the Philippines. And then of course we got here now the ScreenPad 2.0. This one is really cool. I'm gonna demo it to you later. And then we got the Nano Edge display, and the Nano Edge display is really thin. It's not the thinnest one, but it's thin. We also got here the IR camera. So yes, it does come with an infrared camera, I believe, because you got more security when it comes to IR camera. And of course, let's talk about the build quality of this laptop. So at the back, we got here a new design, very solid metal, and then we got the Asus VivoBook logo on the side. So similar to the Asus ROG, they have the logo on the sides, not on the center. And I actually like this one. It's actually minimalist. Again, the build is really solid. I like the feel of this one. Again, parang bakal. Then this one comes with a Harman Kardon sound. I'm not sure yet how this one performs, but I do like it. And then of course, this one. Ito na yung favorite ko. So this one comes with a ScreenPad 2.0. It's actually big enough that it's actually larger than the spacebar below. And yes, you could actually swipe it. It's not running on Android, but it does come with the applications like Spotify, Evernote, Calculator, and other things. So Spotify, you can actually use the Spotify by, okay, yeah, there we go. Pressing Spotify will open the Spotify app on the Windows, on the main screen. This is really cool. Then got calculator applications, but yeah, you could actually turn it off by pressing this one, then use it as a trackpad. Really cool. And anyway, we also got here the other applications. We got Slide Expert, Doc Expert, and Sheet Expert, which is a companion app when you're using Office applications. So this one is really cool when you want to cross-reference, check other files, use it as, you know, opening a picture over here, doing some Photoshop over here, or you just want to open a note while doing your work or over on the main monitor. This one is best for productivity. Since we're running a Core i7 processor, MX250, it's not really for gaming. Should go for the Pro Duo for gaming, or a higher version of the ZenBook that comes with a better GPU. But the MX250, yes, it can run most applications. The games, well, probably some light games, casual games. Well, we got Candy Crush over here. Not a fan of that, but yeah, you get the point. It's not for gamers, but yes, the Pro Duo does a lot better, but it's a lot more expensive. Again, we got almost no flexing over here. It's a really good notebook. Got a really nice keyboard over here. Typing on this one is still soft. The travel distance is just fine with me. I mean, we have seen that one before. Again, it's almost similar to the one that we have reviewed before. Yung travel distance niya is not the best one, but it's soft enough. The feel of it, well, I'm not a big fan of it, but I prefer actually a more clicky keyboard. But yeah, almost fine with me. But again, going recap tayo, we got here the ScreenPad 2.0. Really cool application. You can use it as you know, number key for a numpad. We got different applications. We got handwriting, quick key, and other applications that you can install on this one. So I believe merong dedicated app store for the touchpad or the ScreenPad 2.0. And then of course we got a really nice build. Really minimalist. I like the feel of this one. I like the look of this one. The Intel Core i7 processor, that's powerful enough, and MX250, well, that's enough for most gaming needs na casual lang, but not super, you know, super duper heavy games na nilalaro natin. Like, you know, Apex Legends or PUBG. But probably PUBG Lite wala ang problema dito. So yeah, I guess that's it for a short video of the Asus VivoBook S14. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I'm Jam, jamonline.ph. Thanks for watching our hands-on of the Asus VivoBook S14.